All right, so I need to do the same thing with this one that we did with the last one. So my reactants, my products. First, I'm going to make the list. So we have calcium, we have oxygen, we have hydrogen here and here, we have phosphorus here, and the oxygen I already wrote up here. So that's where we stop. So those are our four elements. So now I'm going to count. There's 1 calcium on this side. There's 1, 2 plus 4, so there's 6 on this side. There's 1, 2, 3 hydrogens plus 2 over here, so 5 hydrogens, and there's 1 phosphorus. Okay, coming over this side, we have 3 calcium, then we have 1, 2 phosphorus, then we have 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen. Okay, so the easiest one that I can see is the calcium because it's a multiple. So I'm going to multiply this side by 3. Okay, but when I did that, then this also multiplies by 3. So what you have to pay attention to is there's a coefficient and a subscript. The subscript goes to this whole parentheses. This coefficient goes to this whole compound. So now there's 2 sets of OHs for each one of the calcium hydroxides, but there's 3 calcium hydroxides. So if there's 2 in each one, then I have to multiply it by 3, so there's 6 total. So there's 6 total here plus 4 more, so now I have 10. And there's now 6 total hydrogens plus 3, so there's 9. And the phosphorus stayed the same still, okay, because we didn't change that. So then the calcium is balanced for now. Now we need to figure out, well, my phosphorus isn't balanced, my hydrogen isn't balanced, my oxygen isn't balanced. So we have to figure that out. But I'm going to start with the phosphorus. And so I'm actually going to multiply this guy by 2. That means I'm going to put 2 up here. So now I have 2 phosphorus. Then I've got to come back and rework my numbers again, because when I did that, I also changed hydrogen and oxygen again. So remember, there were 6 each here. So then I've got to add over here for hydrogens, there's 6 more here plus 6 here, so there's 12 hydrogens now. And then over here, there's 2 times 4 is 8 oxygens plus 6 oxygens is 14 oxygens. Okay, so now my phosphorus is balanced. We got to go on this side and see if we can balance out the hydrogens and oxygens. Well, notice that the hydrogens and oxygens by themselves are in one compound, water. So we can fix this. So what do I have to multiply 2 by to get 12? 6. So I'm going to try that. So 6 times 2 is 12. Well, now it's not just multiplying 9 times 2, because remember, some of the oxygens are here. So I had 8 oxygens here. That means that there was only 1 here. Now 1 times 6 plus 8 is 14. And so now it's balanced.